Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Shalom, salam sejahtera. Before we make a presentation, we would like to thanks to Mr. Novalita M. Tungka, who has given us the opportunity to complete this presentation task. Before we do the presentation, we will introduce ourselves. My name is Uzlifa Tunisa, NPM 921114051711026. I'm from class A, semester 2, Faculty of Social Science and Political Science, study program Public Administration at Sintu Maroso. And now I will bring the presentation under the title Politics and Social Media. The advent of the internet has generated enormous interest about whether and how digital platforms, including social media, have any impact on the political sphere. The approaches proposed to explore the topic are often different and they do not always interact with each other. Social media play a key role in circulation news through multimedia platforms beyond national borders, across social, cultural, and political niches. This chapter explores how this condition increases political knowledge. In the context, the chapter addresses whether and how social media influence politics. In particular, we address first how the network nature of the internet facilitates form of political engagement, and how this condition has further developed with the advent of social media. So finally, we provide evidence for the influence of social media on politics by looking at how circulation of information play a key role in the political sphere across political landscape, actors and political parties. So by paying particular attention to how social media is used for campaigning and for mobilizing social movement.
My name is Silvana, NPM 921114051711006. I am from class A, semester 2, Faculty of Social Science and Political Science, study program Public Administration at Sintu Maroso. Introduction. The advent of the internet has generated enormous interest about whether and how digital platforms, including social media, have any impact on the political sphere. As a result, today we can rely on an increasing body of research addressing the multiple relations between social media and politics from different perspectives. The approaches proposed to explore the topic are often different and they do not always interact with each other, and force the analysis of its causes and effects into divergent paths, arriving sometimes at different conclusions. Internet and politics. The debate on how the internet impacts the political sphere has been rich with contributions since its advent. In the scholars approach research in this field interested in the interactive potential of the internet. Bimber, Gibson, and Ward The internet was hailed as the opportunity for the realization of the ideal of direct democracy. Slaton White. It was also argued that if the internet failed in reaching this goal, then impact on politics would be minimal. Coleman, 2005, pointed out that this scenario did not take in consideration established institutional procedures of representative democracy, which have been taken, mistakenly considered absolute. However, given the initial limited penetration of digital technology across political institutions, government.
My name is Ispanundeng Marala, NPM 921114051711059. I'm from Class B, Semester 2, Faculty Social and Political Science, Study Program, Public Speaking at Central Moroso. From the internet to social media, the internet has evolved since its beginnings, and its influence on politics has changed due to the rise of the many new digital platforms. From the first bulletin board system, 1, to our constant capacity to stay connected, 783, through social media platforms via mobile phones. Today, the internet offers a variety of tools that influence politics. This evolution that produces different effects, to which researchers quickly provide new analysis. The advent of social media as a revolution is further the capacity of digital platforms to connect people, allowing their constant interaction and cooperation, bringing their voices to a broader public. It is commonly assumed that social media play a key role in diffusing information and the claims of political groups. It is an important channel of communication through which political communities or individual citizens as simply members of the public can provide information about their activities, publish their position of specific topic, share information coming from multiple sources, as well as reporting about issues surrounding them at a specific time. Addressing social media is therefore useful for understanding how political communities use the internet to create their own channels of communication and contribute to the development of political knowledge. The interactivity capacity of the internet introduced through the proliferation of social media platforms are described in O'Reilly definition of Web 2.0. This is clustered around 7 main characteristics of the web. The web as platform, harnessing collective intelligence. Data is the intel inside the end of the software release cycle, like wake programming models, software above the level of single device and rich user experience. Looking at the principle with a political science lens, Chaudik and Howard evidently this as The Internet as platform for political discourse. The collective intelligence emergence from political web use. The importance of data the public in domain. The creation of small-scale form of political agitation through consumerism. The progression of the political content over multiplication and rich user experience on political website. Internet as a platform for political discourse consistent of the increasing interactive nature of the web. People can receive information from it, but they may also can contribute information they wish to receive, and they can spread their own information among people included in their social network. This use of the internet that the consequences described in the details below. During the American presidential primary and electoral campaigns, example emerged in the related with the activists use the website Meetup. In January 2007, John Edward Hayes was the first ever presidential candidate to announce his candidacy via a video broadcast on YouTube. The American presidential campaigns in the 28 were the first campaigns where the presidential candidates Obama and McCain used the social media. The use of social presidential campaigns Web 2.0 offers space to digital platforms which best realize the concept of the collective intelligence proposed by Levy. Thanks to the introduction of social media, people as easily produce self-generated or different communicators to produce collective goods. Wiki, for instance, can be used to create self-generated content site, allowing the comparison of people to generated web contents. The key example in the region is the online encyclopedia Wikipedia, based on wiki technology. The ease of publishing information on the internet brings used to be treated 30 times stressed by O'Reilly. The importance of data, diffusing information on politics and politicians, has been possible since the advent of the internet. However, diffusing information through social media makes control over the products even more difficult than Big Sage Water Turner.
My name is Muhammad Rafli Atangkawa, NPM 992111405171016. I am from Class A, Semester 2, Faculty of Social Science and Political Science, Study Program Public Administration at Sintu Maroso. From the internet to social media, the internet has evolution since its began, and its influence on politics has gained due to the rise of the many new digital platforms. From the first bulletin board system BBS1 to our context capacity to stay contact, social media platforms via mobile phone. Today, the internet offers a variety of tools that influence politics. This evolution the product different efforts to watch research, quick provide new analysis. The advent of social media has revolution exert further the capacity of digital platforms to contact people, allowing their context, interaction, and cooperation, bring the voice to a broader public. It is company has made that social media play a key role in diffusing information and the climb of politic group. It is an important channel of community throughout political communities or individual citizens as simple members of the public can provide information about their activity, public their position on specific topic, share information coming from multiple sources as well as reporting about as sure reading them at specific time.
My name is Fadrian Satalo, NPM 92114051710117. I'm from Kelas A, Semester 2, Faculty of Social Science and Political Science, Studi Program Public Administration IT Cintu Maroso. And as such it might create or strength. Then relation between individual organization and external actors. The aim of the use of social media platform is to circulate information coming from multiple sources. It is digital space in which individual can directly and actively submit in access information, develop their political knowledge in get in involved political debates, overcoming time lags, geographical distance, and often hierarchical the myths existing in some communities. We can conclude that our enthusiasm about the advent of the internet and social media is justified in some as they have democracy, the process of news making and have made information more accessible in this context. When we endorse the relation between social media and politics, we're interested in understanding how information impacts politics in how the networking nature of digital platforms are strengthened in influence on various political practice and include citizens in this process and never before.
So thus the conclusion. The internet is often considered a technology with the potential of influencing human action regardless of the context. It is the digital space in which individuals can directly and actively submit and access information, develop their political knowledge, and get involved in political debates over overcoming time sledge, geographical distance, and often hierarchical dynamics existing in some communities. We can conclude that our enthusiasm about the advent of the internet and social media is justified inasmuch as they have the commerce